caffeine addiction a problem to be solved as early as possible. We all have this preconceived notion that only coffee contains caffeine, but that is not the case. Beverages like Cokes and chocolate products contain caffeine. A hot cup of coffee with the morning sunshine sounds so tempting and revitalizing. It has the ability to keep you awake and help burn that midnight oil in time of dire need. Coffee becomes a matter for social gathering. It helps you socialize by letting you bump into one of your colleagues in the office, which otherwise wouldn't have happened. It is being considered as one of your friend, as it has helped you sit up late at night and clear those grueling maths papers. With all the usefulness one can think of, we also happen to know that coffee contains caffeine, which is not good for your health. Having coffee can help you remain alert, but it is the aftermath you should be worried about, the ill effects it has on your health. It is a stimulus which does wonders to your central nervous system by stressing the hormones in the bloodstream and keeping you alert and awake whenever you have it. This unnatural way of keeping your body alert takes a toll on your body. The normal way of functioning gets disrupted due to the intake of coffee or any other product which contains good amount of caffeine. As caffeine gets into our system, it makes us addicted. After knowing the ill effects of caffeine, if you suddenly stop taking coffee, you will face caffeine withdrawal symptoms, which can be anything from a headache, irritability, fatigue, constipation, lack of appetite, lack of concentration to even forgetfulness. The withdrawal symptoms can be very harmful, leading to stomach ulcers as the coffee can be acidic. This excess acid gets into your bloodstreams, causing loss of calcium in urine. Caffeine, which has been freely used in most of the beverages, has led kids get addicted to it. The high content of sugar just makes it very popular among children, which are the future generation with excess weight. It is also the cause of abnormal fast, slow, or irregular heartbeats. It is also known for increasing blood pressure, which leads to constant stress and hypertension. There are increasing chances of heart disease, pancreas and bladder cancer, which we all know can be very fatal. The idea to quit caffeine should be very strong and not one to tampered with. The process should be slow and gradual. As we all know, the withdrawal symptoms of caffeine is very bad. Avoid other caffeinated products, which would just make matters worse. If you happen to drink 6 cups coffee a day, cut it down. Try to have 2 cups green tea and 4 cups coffee, and similarly, as you go ahead, you will completely stop till you got rid of caffeine from your life.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.